guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to please like, subscribe, and check out my little cousin's YouTube channel, his other one at DKNMX1.
Hey guys, that was my older cousin. His name's Austin, and he rocks. Big shout out to him, by the way.